be discussing a free alternative to Cursor. You know, Cursor is not free, and vibe coding, AI coding, everything is going on, but Cursor is not free. Let me show you the Cursor pricing. That is around $20 per month, and the free tier limit is very less, very less. So in this era of like AI coding and vibe coding and all, we need something like free alternative, and Gemini 2.5 Pro has done that for you. It's very good, and with the VS Code extension Cline, it's like magical. Like the things which Cursor agent can do, that we can replicate with VS Code, Cline, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. So Cline is let me show you their site. So Cline is an open source VS Code extension. Let me show you their GitHub. Yep. So it's the GitHub repository, and that is around, like, they have already around 38k stars, so they are very good. So basically, let me show you. It's an open source VS Code extension. It can do autonomous stuff like what Cursor agent can do, like fix code, generate code, everything autonomously. Like you just give the prompts and it will do. And it can also do browser automation using Cloud Computer Use. We know that Cloud Computer Use is means browser automation thing, and with Cline we can give it the Cloud's API and use Cloud's Computer Use in it itself. So it also have multimodal support. That is, it can take images like the models, that is like Gemini 2.5 Pro or Claude or OpenAI. They can accept images, so it is compatible with that also. So let me take to you. I have an open empty folder. So now I have a setup of Next.js and Satsian. So you can take up any projects you want to, like whichever you like, and go to extension and type Cline, Cline, and do install it here. And then you will find this tab, that is this one you will be finding right here and not here. I have taken this up here, but you will find this here. And now basically it is a GitHub Copilot, so I'm not using it right now. So I have something like Cline, which is much more better using Gemini 2.5 Pro. So here we have the Cline extension. After we install it from here, we will be finding it here, and we just need to give it the Gemini API key. So let's go to AI Studio, that is AI Google Studio, and we'll go get API key and create one API key. So I have created one API key. Now we'll copy this. So now we have it here, and when we click on the settings, and we'll choose, there is two types of mode, that is plan mode and act mode. In the plan mode, it will plan what needs to be done and what not, and in the act mode, it will basically act according to what plan it has generated. So then we will have to provide which provider we can use. Like everything it's there, like Anthropic, we can use Claude, GCP Vertex, DeepSeek, OpenAI, anything. So I'm using Gemini, Google Gemini, and we will put in our API key here that we have copied from here and put in here, and then we'll select the model as Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental. So basically we can also have other models, but it's the best model I have ever seen till now, with a large context of 1 million context length. So then we can also give custom instructions. For now I am not giving. And also in auto approve, we need to click on auto approve. We need to check them up, all those up, and we need to click here, so that it basically tells us that we don't need to approve. If we don't check it, like if it's unchecked, then we have to like regularly approve. Suppose it is asking for a change in that file, then we need to approve. We need to click approve again and again. So I am giving it the access of auto approval. So then I have got one prompt that is here. Yes. So let me go to plan mode. So then I will paste my prompt, that is, I have a basic Next.js, Tailwind and Satsian setup ready. Now I want to build a time tracker app using local storage. For this I want to prepare advanced I want you a detailed plan of what features something. So it's basically a time tracker app, so I'm telling it to first plan what features needs to be there, how to go, all support means all like that. So let's see what it can do. Yep. Let's close this up. So let's see what it generates. it can, I'll show you, like it can generate a lot of things like autonomously. So yes, so finally it has generated something like a very big planning about what needs to be done and what not, like a very big planning. Yep, nice. So now let's looks good. Let's start. Okay, so yep, let's start. Now it will ask for going into act mode. Yep, toggle to act mode. Yep, I am going to act mode. So after going to act mode, it will work upon all this, like what it has planned till now. It will act upon that. So yep, run command. For the terminal commands, what I have seen that after auto approval also it asks for like approvals, even if I give auto approval. It's kind of good for terminal commands, but yes, so after a bit of iterations, like I have basically given it auto approve, so it has done it all. So after a bit long, we have something like this thing. So it's a time tracker app. We have light mode and dark mode. So then we can have something like what are you working on? Suppose I'm working on a Python and project optional. It's optional, so I'm not putting it in. So let's start. So it gets started, and when we stop it, we have something here. Okay, I have also given a coding. I have also given a coding task, and we have projects like I have given a Cline project, and I have given a Python project, so we can edit it. So the project looks very good enough with like giving it to Cline for all the stuff, and I have not written a single line of code, so it looks good. Yeah, the UI also looks perfect, and we can also export to CSV. Everything looks good, and we can also add entry manually, like good stuff. So the plan mode, then the act mode has like literally changed how we code. Like the AI itself plans for what it needs to be done, what features needs to be built. Like it's a very good. So previously I was using like windsurf, that is a Cline the cursor alternative, but that also have like $15 per month charge. But now I have got this thing like vscode Cline plus Gemini 2.5 Pro combo, which is a free alternative and works very well, similar to what I get in using windsurf. So I am using it. So I hope you try this out, like VS Code with Cline and with Gemini 2.5 Pro. So do tell me in the comments, like how you means after using, how you find it good or bad, or something like how you find the video. Is it helpful or not? And my reach target, that is subscriber target, by the end of April or May is 1k subscriber. So yeah, do complete it please. Peace.